Have you ever dreamed of seeing the Northern Lights dance across the sky? Imagine standing beneath a canvas of vibrant greens, blues, and purples as nature puts on a show unlike anything you've ever witnessed. This video takes you on a journey to Iceland, where the Aurora Borealis is a nightly spectacle, capturing the magic and wonder of this breathtaking natural phenomenon. The Northern Lights are more than just a pretty sight. They're a glimpse into the universe's raw power and beauty. Join us as we explore the depths of Iceland's winter landscape, where the Aurora Borealis paints the sky with otherworldly hues, revealing the captivating secrets hidden within this celestial spectacle. Every winter, thousands travel to Iceland chasing this ethereal glow, an unpredictable phenomenon that paints the skies in hues of green, violet, pink, and sometimes even crimson. But what exactly causes this magical display? It begins with the sun. Solar flares release charged particles that travel millions of kilometers through space, colliding with Earth's magnetic field. When these particles interact with gases in our atmosphere, they produce light, a natural light show in the skies. Iceland's unique geography makes it the perfect stage. Vast open spaces, minimal light pollution, and long, dark winter nights, all set the scene for one of nature's greatest performances. Some of the best places to view the lights include Thingvellir National Park, with its volcanic plains, Kirkjufell, the iconic mountain mirrored by frozen lakes. And Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, where icebergs shimmer under the glow. But it's not just about seeing the lights. It's about feeling them. There's a stillness in the Icelandic night, a deep connection with nature. Under the Northern Lights, time feels slower. The world feels quieter, and our problems a little smaller. The Northern Lights are a reminder that beauty often lies in the most silent, remote corners of our planet. And sometimes, magic is real.